Hi friends, today I am going to introduce a new tool in Google Sheets. In NSE India, normally we know in option we find option chain here for every stock, and here we find open interest, change of open interest, volume, and etc. Everything which is used to analyze the stock trend and strength of the trend. So according to this data we analyze. Normally all of you know, here it is open interest and change of open interest. It is particular 11,750 strike price, call side change in open interest. It is in positive, means they are adding position here, and when it is negative they are exiting from existing position. And of course volume, implied volatility, latest LTP of that particular element. So according to this data we analyze Nifty or Bank Nifty's trend, and we'll take the position according to that one. So here I have made one sheet for Google and Nifty and Bank Nifty. Here I have showed three future prices at one place along with spot price, open, high, low, close, everything. And here I have added some extra option, OHL status, means open is called high or open is called low status. If it is open is called high, it will show. If it is not, it will not show here. And here maximum open interest, call side, how much it is and what is the strike price, and means where it is the highest open interest. And in put side also, what is the maximum open interest and which strike price it has. And here it is maximum additional open interest, means positive side which is highest in call side and which is highest in put side. At the same time negative side which is highest in call side and which is highest in put side. And I have shown here support and resistance, and at the same time I have shown trend. According to this, all the data analyzed and shown the trend, EOD trend and intraday trend. Then here I have added one PCR, means put call ratio, according to open interest and according to volume. So after analyzing all that thing, what could trader can do? So he can buy 11,800 call at particular LTP that it is trading at 280.75. And at same time I have added one more sheet also for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also, it has same all three futures and spot prices. Here it is over OHL status, and here I am showing when it is updated. The data is taken from nseindia.com, so you don't have nothing to do with this updation. It will automatically updated by Google itself. Just you have to keep open the sheet and just watch it, and when all this will match, means trend, EOD trend and intraday trend should be same. And at the same time here we get the call according to trend, we have to take the call. Means if it is both side it is bear, we have to get the here it is put only. If we see put here and here it is bear, we have to take the call. Here it is bull and both side bull, and we see here call, we have to take that call. That is safest trade. And of course if you are a scalper and you have to do a little trade, you have to follow the instructions and you will get some good trade also. Of course I am not saying that you are getting all the good trades. It may hit some stop losses also. That's why I am saying take only safe trades, which is less chances to hit the stop loss. And if you want to get this sheet, please follow the instructions and join my group to get this sheet. Thank you guys.